All right, real quick, guys, I'm going to go over how easy it is to write a 22, 23, or 24 Ford file. With the 23 and 24, you need to load this secondary bootloader into it. With the 22, which is the ECM that I got, you do not have to do that. You download it from the server in the program and just load in the delete file. So we'll get started here. I'm going to hit identify just to show you guys that the ECM is actually 22 because obviously it's locked. So we'll try to read it. And authentication error, this ECU's as new protections and is not yet supported. Please do not contact support. All right, let me swap this over to my other adapter, which I'm using a Tactrix. It's about 120 bucks, and Forscan, which is a $15 a year program. You actually get 6 months free. So, and it is zero cost to you to write it. Close this out, open up Forscan right here. Alright, so first thing you want to do is connect to the ECM. So you click this. You want to make sure that your dongle is selected correctly. Go to settings, connection. I'm using, so it's a schematic. I'm sorry, it's a open port 2.0, which is Tactrix. Alright, go back here, hit connect. We're going to click yes. Showing a bunch of DTCs because we're just hooked on the bench and I've been messing with it, so. No big deal. Okay, it says it's ready. We're going to go over to here. This is your configuration and programming. We're going to go to module firmware update. We're going to hit play. It's going to give you a warning. Hit OK. Turn the ignition off. I'm going to go over here to my bench force. Turn off the ignition. You would just turn off the ignition in the vehicle. So we're going to, the program, we're going to do custom, because that's what we're doing is custom tune. And it already found the secondary bootloader. But you would go here and, I'm sorry, you would download the secondary bootloader for the 22. You don't load it in. For the 23, 24, you would click this and you would navigate to this spot right here and you would load in this file. Okay, so then for the tune, we're going to click this, browse, go to the folder 22, delete file, VBF, okay, and then all we're going to do is hit program. Turn the ignition on. I'm going to go over here to my bench force, turn on the ignition, hit OK, OK, and that's it. It's your programming. It will complete once it hits 100%. That's it. It's done. Close the program out, start the truck up, unplug everything. You're good to go.